first grade and I'm gonna be second grade and I want to learn math and it's so hard, but I don't care.
Yeah. All right then. Good afternoon, everybody. So it is the time for us to learn about art. You know what? Art is also important for our life. Without art,
I forgot
maybe.
what was 5 times 4.
Yeah. Okay. Without art, maybe we're not going to be creative. Can you imagine? Without art, maybe our clothes is like only made from leaves or what?
Or paper.
Yeah, or paper, or it will not look as beautiful as we saw. I mean, we see just now. Okay.
Do anybody know what is 5 times 4?
5 times 4. How many is that?
I forgot it. I know the answer, but now I forgot.
5 times 4. Go.
I don't know about times yet. I haven't learned times.
Oh my God.
Because I know the answer, but I forgot it now. Oh my God. Mr. Al is a grown up. Of course.
5 times 5. How many?
I also have that answer. I don't know. Oh my God, what am I gonna do as a teacher when I forget about times?
Okay, we will learn about math later, yeah? How is it?
25. 25. Or 25.
25, right?
25. Right?
Yeah. Okay, then I think enough.
Then it must be like this. 5 times 4.
How many is that?
4.
5 times 4. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. If we combine, it will be?
It's times. Times
20.
is hard. It's at the next level. I know.
Okay, but I'm sorry that we need to learn about art today. Can we?
I love math.
Okay, we're going to learn about something today.
4 times 4. Oh my God. What is that?
What is what?
Maybe after the meeting, me and Ruth and Althea can learn about math with Giovanna. Giovanna is our friend. I have lots and lots of friends, you know.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to learn about the art lesson first, okay? We know about Jackson Pollock, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry, I have to mute everybody first so that we can focus on what lesson today. All right, we will talking about the Jackson Pollock. Jackson Pollock is one of the famous artists also, like Michelle Basquiat last week.
Like yesterday.
Yeah, not like yesterday, I mean last week, right? And then this one is very fun because Jackson Pollock is an abstract artist. And you know what? The art is not really hard. You just need to express yourself. But before we start, I'm going to show you this
Mr.
video.
Al?
Yeah?
I have a question.
Yes, Ifo.
I have a pet fish, well, I have a lot of them, and a baby turtle. Well, one of my fish is named Shelly, and I tried to paint her, but it got a little tiny disaster.
Why? What's happened?
I like painting. That's because the color is a little difficult to see because there is so many whites. Oh my God.
Are you coloring a turtle?
No, I'm coloring my fish Shelly.
Oh, okay then. Yeah. All right. We back to the video now just a while, okay? Just listen up first. I want you to mute your mic first and then take one message letter N. I will highlight the message after this one so that you can get a big idea about what we are talking about after this one.
I don't understand it. I cannot hear the voice of the YouTube. Me too. Me three. Same. Me four. Me five. Not me five. I cannot hear the voice. Me two. Me three. Me four. What? It's only the three of us. Yeah, but we're four. I mean, we just can't stop it.
Guys, you cannot hear the sound?
Yes, I cannot hear the sound of what you are sharing. Yeah. By the way, can you please change your name because...
Oh, okay. Yeah. Just avoid my name, please. We can just move on to another things.
Ivo, can you change your name into a different name? Because I changed my name to Lolly.
Okay, I need Evo. Oh, I need Ruth to read this one. What is that, Ruth? What is abstract mean? Can you read it, please, louder? Ruth, can you please read it louder? What is abstract mean?
Yeah, but I'm trying to think what to say.
Just read this one, abstract, to take away.
To take away what's obvious
And dig deeper.
deeper.
How about expressionism? Can you help me to read this one again, Ruth, one more time? Sionism.
To express yourself.
So from this art, we're going to express our emotion. We're going to express ourselves, our idea into an abstract form. Okay. I know this one is very hard for you to understand, but at least we learn something. Okay. So abstract. What is abstract means? Alitia, Kakatia.
To take away what's obvious and dig deeper.
Good job. What is expressionism means for Ivo? Ivo, come on. What is expressionism means?
I don't know.
You just need to read, Ivo. Come on, focus.
With the bottom one.
Yeah. To what? What is expressionism? It's written there, Ivo. Come on, be focused. What is that? Just need to read.
Express yourself.
To express yourself. Okay, thank you so much, Ivo. Now we're going to change our sharing.
Your body. I can't hear the voice. I can't hear the voice. I can't hear the voice too. I can't hear the voice too. I mean three. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Where is the sound?
Oh, you don't hear the sound?
Yes. I know the answer. 4 times 4. It's definitely 16.
Okay, wait. Yeah. I'm going to share which one. Okay.
I know all of the answers. I now know what is the answer.
All right, this one is the pictures of Jackson Pollock. Yeah.
Jackson. Prepare your...
Say it together, Jackson Pollock.
Jackson Pollock.
Jackson Pollock.
Knowledge.
All right, I need Kakatia to read this one louder. Ready, Kakatia? Ready? 1, 2, go.
Wait. I go today. The short story of Jackson Pollock. know the meaning of abstract in art, learn how to paint like Jackson Pollock, discuss and share our knowledge with others.
Thank you. All right, now I need Ivo to read this one. Ivo, come on, ready, 1, 2, go.
How Jackson Pollock, born in January
28,
28,
1912,
1912, died on August 11, 1956.
Okay, he was
an American painter and a modern figure in the
abstract
movement.
expressionism movement. Yeah, thank you so much. Now, Ruth, read this one louder.
Like him, draw various lines and more random elements of art using your own version. Finalize everything using your watercolor.
All right, this is how Jackson Pollock paint. This is one is like a huge mass, but actually this one is really artistically messy. It's okay. Now we're going to paint like him, okay? We're going to paint like him, everybody. Now I will stop sharing first and then let's start. I need you to use your paper first. I want you to...
I'm good at math. Just name your name like random, like just Lolicute, or that's my fake name. No, I'm good at math.
All right, let's start to draw something cool today, right? You have to use your marker first, and I want you to just express yourself into a line first, yeah? You can draw dash line first, or wavy line.
I could do to express myself.
Okay, come on, come on, come on. Try, Ivo. Try dash line. Okay, I will give you 1 minute for exploring dash line first. Dash line, broken line. Ready? 1, 2, go. Draw as many as you can. Dash line or broken line like this. 1 minute. Follow me, please. Nothing, no one will talk. We need to work. Okay, after you draw the dash line, I want you to use wavy line. Make it randomly. Wavy line. It's like a wavy. Yeah, wavy line. This one is fun. Yeah, sometimes we have to relax just a while so that we can continue our... Okay, wavy line, stop. Now zigzag. Zigzag line. Make as many as you can. Don't forget to be creative. You can start from the left side or right side. Make it at that. Okay, zigzag done. Now I need you to do the spiral. You know spiral, right?
I know it's like a zigzag, but not necessarily a zigzag. It's just like wow, wow, wow. When your hair is tangled, it sometimes it comes like wow, 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 like that.
Like bouncing, right? Like wow, 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 wow. Okay.
I made all of the lines like crazy.
Yeah, this one is like you expressing your idea into a line. Now I want you to put...
It's expressing me with mess.
Okay, I want you to put a hidden message, okay?
That's enough.
I will write down smart here. So, or maybe this one is clever. I want you to only put positive word. Okay, like beautiful, pretty, creative,
good, smart,
yeah, good,
clever. Not so rude, small ever call me. I am so clever.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, pretty. Yeah, try to hide it somewhere. Yeah, pretty and what is brilliant or what else?
I can
Uh,
write really, really, really small.
awesome, stunning, cool. Okay, as many words as you can. Hide it in your painting. This will be the,
Yeah.
yeah, people will try to find your word later when they want
I can
to.
write very small, you know. That's
Okay,
gonna be so
ready?
nice.
Now it's time for you guys to keep your marker because your marker will be broken if you use crayon. I want you to prepare your crayons.
Crayon?
Yeah, we're going to use crayons.
Yay, crayons! I will cover the
Uh-huh.
writings, you know. Get my crayons. My crayons. Why did everyone freeze?
Okay, use your crayons now. I want you to use.
Excuse me, before everyone just freeze. Crayon.
Okay, use crayon.
Crayons.
You cannot get the effect if you do not use crayon. Okay.
My crayon is so messy.
Okay, I want you to use yellow for a while. Don't forget to only use the light colors. Yeah.
Yellow.
Please do not use black. Black is too.
Or gray, or dark brown, or darkest blue, or dark colors.
Yeah, you just need to
Orange.
color it in every way you want.
I want to choose the light pink.
Yeah, we just actually try to make the abstracts by Jackson Pollock a little bit more uh, different. Yeah, we try to modify Jackson Pollock technique with our own version now.
But do that he blends well with the good that I write.
Okay, Jackson Pollock
Yeah.
using uh, he is using acrylic paint, but we are now working with the Giotto watercolor, which is very different, but actually it's a little bit the same because it's water based. Okay, after I'm using yellow now, I'm using light green.
Light green, light green. Where's light green? Oh my gosh, I'm running out of time. I don't have light green.
It's okay, you can change it. Maybe light brown or light blue.
I'm gonna use lime. Then.
Yeah, it's okay. Be creative. Come on. Ruth, if you cannot find the light green, you can change it into something else.
Beautiful. Don't use white first. I wish I could put it next to the yellow.
All right, guys, please do not cover the whole paper with crayon. We will leave some of the space with crayons, yeah? I mean we're going to use Giotto after that. Okay, don't use the same stroke. Don't use the same stroke, okay? You can use light brown like this and create some line or this line or yeah, you just need to
It's
be
ready in
more
here.
creative. You can draw stars.
Favorite color because it's light blue. No, it is. Bluey blue. Yes, I like blue and pink. They're so beautiful colors. Me too. It's so beautiful. Yes, Ruth's favorite color is pink. And my mom loves pink. Everyone knows that some of them like pink. I like blue and pink. Beautiful and nice colors, you know. Beautiful.
Okay, Ruth, do you have any white color, or Ivo? Do you have any white color for your crayon?
Yes, I have a bunch of colors of the rainbow.
No, no, no. I want you to use white. Do you have any white, Ivo?
Yes, I have. I already
Okay.
put white.
I want you to use white, yeah? Press it more harder. Find some empty space and fill it with line, curly line, or just
Why am I drawing scribbles?
scribble, or maybe a dash line or zigzag. Try to find some empty space, like a white space, to cover your line.
Should I cover the whole entire paper with white?
No, no, no. You just need to, yeah, draw a little bit.
Why am I going like crazy?
You're not going to be crazy. Okay, after that, now we're going to use our paint.
So good.
This is the fun part now. Oh, if you want to use light blue, maybe to make it more cooler. Okay, I'm going to use light blue with the circle.
By the way, I made sky blue and I was painting.
All right, remember that this painting activities is to release your stress, okay? I want you to enjoy the time.
But I haven't finished my red. We do the painting whenever we want. Oh, there it is, the red.
All right, like this. Then I think I'm done. I'm going to color it with my watercolor.
I'm gonna use light brown. I have light brown in my painting.
Yeah, you can use light brown then. But I'm going to test my water first. My water is really dirty now. It's like brown.
I'm using
like
the music. I'm gonna use blue again because blue is so beautiful.
So now you can try. Don't forget, Ruth. Don't cover your paper. Don't cover the whole paper with crayon. Okay, you need to.
Mr. Owl, Ruth is somewhere that I have no idea where.
What?
Before, she was somewhere that I have no idea where she went, but now she's back.
Oh, maybe she's
watercolor.
Yeah, she's getting some watercolor. Okay, now I'm using my red now. Don't forget, don't wipe your whole paper with paint. Yeah, you need to
Painting. Whoops. Washing, la 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 la.
I'm using red now. And you know what? The waxing effect will make the painting looks really cool. Okay, I'm using more water now.
Beautiful rainbow, but actually it's in a paper.
Okay, like that. It's like a batik painting. We just get the idea from the Jackson Pollock, and we try to modify it a little bit. Okay, I'm done with the red now. I'm using dark blue. Remember, Ruth, to use white crayons. to make your painting looks awesome later on. See, this one is like a lot of white colors on this area root, and then now I'm using blue. I'm using blue now. Remember to make it more abstract, like put the make I mean spread the the colors, make it more balanced. If you put something here on the right side, you have to use put something on the left side, something like this. Okay, this is fun.
Can I use the white paint?
Mm. Okay, don't cover all with your pen. You just need to make it a little bit. Just leave some small space
Oh,
so
using
that
the brush.
we can put some. Okay, I'm done with my blue now. I'm using black. Black will help
Yeah, I
my.
think I'm done using all. I want to use black. Well, not too much black.
Mm,
What are you doing? Over here. Ah, it's so nice to paint.
wow, this is cool. I like this.
Okay, now I'm done with the black.
You know what? Sometimes I just want to get away from everything formally.
I love rainbow.
I just want to express myself
Next,
in a
we
pretty
have to
way.
think of good thoughts so that
So,
when we are scared, when you have to think happy thoughts. Like imagine you are on top of the rainbow or the world.
mm-mm.
What? That's a happy thought, okay? Yes, but if you stand up on the world, then you'll have to end. You can see the whole entire world from up there. You know, if you want to see the world, you have to wear your astronaut clothes if you're an astronaut. Imagine I'm an astronaut and I don't wear astronaut. Good. We have to look down. It's so looks like there's dolls. You just let me finish talking. I like my pencil. I'm a little bit scared if I put too much black.
No need to be scared.
I mean,
Just
black.
express. Okay, if you like black, just use black then. Okay, I want everybody to mute just for 5 or 10 minutes. I want you to work with that. There is a time for everything. If you want to talk later, okay, I want you to finish your work first.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Come on.
I'm done.
That looks yummy, Ivo. Would you like to share with us, please, the biscuit?
I have a long and salty biscuits. I love salty.
All right, Ruth, if you have anything to ask, just ask, okay? Ruth, Ivo, and Kakak Tia, if you think that you want to ask, just ask.
Be quiet.
Yeah, it's okay to be quiet, but if you think that you need some clarification,
Mr. Al,
yeah, Ivo,
done.
you're done? Can I see your picture, please? The drawing?
Myself of all of the colors. I'll put some black.
Oh, that's really cool. Can I take photo first as well? Wait. Smile. Little, what we call it? Little abstract artist. Evil. Okay. You want to share it?
Yep. I'm gonna read a little bit.
Okay, if you want to share it, you can share it now. Are you ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Yvonne. This is what I created.
Wait, Ifo, wait. Remember, yeah, I need 6 paragraph. You have to be more longer. You have to present everything. Colors. Are you there? Can you hear me?
This is what I created. So first, I expressed myself with all the colors of the rainbow, but I haven't even have enough space for the pictures. So I created this. And it's very, very colorful because I love color, as you already know.
Okay.
And as you can see, I put a bunch of crayons and paints. And if you're wondering, why can't I just put crayons and paint together? Well, that's because if you put them together, it cannot be like this. See? It's like this. It's terrible. And I put some white paint over here because I really want it. It's good. You. Finally, Mr. Al, you are
Well, I'm sorry, my connection. My God.
Yes, don't tell it. Alitea's mom already said it. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. So I have a lot of questions for you, Ivo. How do you feel when you put all the things on your paper?
Well, I created by some crayons and anything that has a color that can be on the paper.
Yeah, what I mean that how do you feel when you express everything? Are you happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling flat?
I feel I'm not happy. I'm super duper duper happy.
Okay. Why you choose that color? Why you choose light blue?
That's because I like light colors and they always shine my day.
Oh, okay. Are you thinking about something when you use that colors? Maybe you, oh, what is that?
It's a beautiful day and it's so beautiful that I just wanted to play outside. And then when it's nighttime, I go to bed with my beautiful rainbow bed.
Okay. Yeah, all right. I think I will go to you. I will come back to you again later, Ivo, if I have some question. but I'm going to give it this time for for Ruth and Tia maybe. All right. No, no,
I
no, wait,
need
wait.
some.
Ivo, do you have any title for your painting?
Yes, the title is Beautiful Rainbow Colors.
Okay, so is that using a beautiful rainbow color? Can I see what once again?
Mm-hmm. I use the background.
Okay, yeah. But it looks like a lot of scribble. How do you feel? What is your feeling when you scribble everything?
I feel like it's kind of like a baby, but it's kind of a little bit cool because it's a little bit different than scribbles
Mm-mm.
because it's a little bit a mess and not a mess at the same time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Babies just draw like this at only one place. That's it.
Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, these abstracts looks really simple and easy. Even the kids, the small kids, maybe can do it. But actually, that is not the point. Okay, sometimes we can create some beautiful painting, but sometimes we can also like making fun. Okay, with the colors, with
And the most
expression.
and the and the most good artists can make anything a little bit look realistic.
Yeah, that is
Because they
what.
draw every time.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, then, Ivo. Ew, it looks so
Hey, when I
yummy.
grow up, I want to be an artist.
You want to be an artist?
Mm-hmm.
You try. Why don't you just trying to think about how to be a doctor or maybe an architect or
Who think
designer?
of how to draw anything like in real life, but more realistic?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Maybe when you are now later in grade 3 and grade 4, you have to be very, very focused on art lesson if you want to be an artist later on. Okay. Don't make your art teachers angry because you do not follow the instruction later on. All right, because you have to stick to your goal. You want to be a good artist, you have to start from a very, very, very young age. Okay, we have Ruth and Tia. Come on, Tia. Are you done or not? Thank you so much, Ruth, thank you so much, Ivo, for sharing. Later, maybe, oh yeah, maybe Ruth or Tia, you want to ask Ivo something about her painting? The title is about the beautiful what last time, Ivo? Beautiful rainbow, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yes, the beautiful rainbow. If Kakatia, if you have any questions, you can just ask Ivo anything. We have to share each other. We have to sharing each other. We have to.
Anyone can answer. I can answer anyone's question. No problem.
No problem. Yeah, good job. I love your open-minded uh, behavior. Thank you so much, Ivo. Yes, we have to face if somebody wants to criticize us or maybe trying to give us some suggestion or opinion. Just feel free, open your heart, let it be a positive feedback for us later on. Okay, Ruth, how is it? Oh, you are working with the Giotto now. So how is it, Ruth? It is magic, right? When you using watercolor and then it's blend with the crayon and then the watercolor will be like string like that because
Yes.
it do not mix. It cannot mix because one crayon is made from wax and then the watercolor
Just like
made.
I said.
What is that?
Just like I said when I presented.
Yeah, you say that the color is not blended enough, right?
Yes, because crayons are more different than paint.
Which media that you like, crayon or watercolor?
I like both. Crayon is a little bit nice, but they make me run out of time when I color. But paint is much more faster because when you take a size of brush, it can be a little bit more faster and never waste your time.
Yeah, you know what, Ivo? I'm so proud of you. You are very, very smart. If I was sit down just near beside you, I will hug you with my love, like, oh, Ivo, I will be your big fans because you are very smart. You have a
Yes,
very
of
nice,
course.
yeah, you have a very nice voice. You can dance nicely, and then you can play piano. Wow, you have a multi-talented student.
I am a master of painting the nails. I choose which color is nice and which color is not nice.
Okay, just tell us which color is nice and which color is not nice.
Yes,
What do
of
you think?
course, that the light colors are more nicer than the dark colors because the dark colors is very hard to get rid of because the dark colors have a very strong sting.
Oh, okay. That is.
Like in black or any other colors.
Is that any correlation between dark colors with your emotion? If you're feeling sad, that
Yes.
yes. How to explain that things?
The, the, the black is with all the colors of the rainbow and if you have too much black when you want to mix a light color, it can get a little bit more stick to the dark colors and you have to add a teensy weensy black so you don't have to make your paint too black.
Okay. So when you watch the dark painting, how do you feel? Are you feeling
I feel
happy or
embarrassed.
you feel embarrassed?
Yes.
Oh, why?
That's because I don't like dark colors. They're kind of like from the dark side, and the dark colors are a little bit cool.
Okay.
But nothing can be a more cooler than black because you know why?
Why?
Some of the things are black, like some of the black markers, hair, and the eye things in your eyes. And when it's nighttime, you can see the sky is black, and some of the piano is black, and some of the paint is black, and everything. Some of them is black.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. I think I can spend like 5 hours to just speak with you because you are very smart and such an interesting person, and I'm quite sure that you have a lot of friends, right, Ivo? Because you have so many things to talk to tell. Okay. All right. Thank you, then, Ivo. I want to hear your Ruth now to talk.
I don't
Come
need
on.
to bath in the bathroom. I need to lick myself.
Oh, okay. That's quite cool. All right then. I need somebody to talk now. Either Alicia or Ruth. Are you still working?
I'm not finished yet.
Oh, you're not finished yet. It's okay. How about Kakatia?
I'm not finished yet.
Okay, okay, Mr. I will be waiting then. Oh, by the way, you use Canva for making the background, Kakatia?
Yes, I make Canva. I use it.
Oh yeah,
It
because
uses a green fabric. That's why it's smooth.
no. I'm just asking whether Alicia is using Canva. Canva is a application from the one of the website in internet that we can use to design or something.
For me,
Okay.
I use the screenshots, and if you see that button that has the background, you can actually add your background that you made.
Yeah, I know it, but I don't really like to use the background.
Oh my god. I never sleep at night. I only sleep at midnight.
Is it?
Midnight and night is just the same. Even is the same. I sometimes sleep at midnight when it's holiday.
Yeah.
Never stay awake at midnight. You're gonna be so sleepy. In fact, I'm never sleepy, you know. Only my mom. I'm only sleepy at daytime because I'm a cat.
You even don't want me to talk because I haven't finished talking yet.
Yeah, you have to take turn, please. Okay, everybody need to show respect to take turns while you want to talk. You have to wait and listen. Okay. Ruth, you want to talk something? Oh, okay. Now, who wants to talk? Evo again? Or Tia, are you done?
No.
Me?
Okay,
You
what?
already heard that
What
they
affects you?
already said no.
All right.
I need
What?
to do my stretch out first so I can stretch so I
don't
can
know.
get enough energy at night.
Yeah, maybe you can drink some water first, Ivo. So, Alithia, what makes you you try to make it more detailed, right? With the colors and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Ruth? Are you working with the paint now?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. How is it, Ruth? Are you happy with the painting technique today?
My leg is hurt this time.
Why? What happened?
Well, because I keep on jumping and running around.
That is your fault. You have to be calm down, sit down, and do your work. But it's okay sometimes if you want to jump. And then, yeah,
I never jump or run because I always do the calm down exercise.
yeah, guys, you need to be more active actually. But please pay attention when you want to be an active learner. Please,
I
that there
wasn't
is.
sleeping. I was only doing my calm exercise, okay?
All right, yeah. Not down, man. Thank you so much for the information. All right, how is it, Tia? Wow, I'm just quite surprised that this project makes you feel very focused and you're just drowning in that abstract style. It takes a lot of time for you now to color everything. I thought this will be taking a little bit time. I mean, yeah, some people.
You're big. You're big. Just be small.
If you want to do this, you have to relax your body.
Yeah, okay. How about singing? Ivo, please teach me how to sing nicely.
Yes, but you have to use your nice voice. But if you want to use your nice voice, you have to lower up your voice. Like,
Okay, how? Like that?
and then you have to use your, and then you have to try to make your voice a little bit more nice. Because
Like,
yes, everyone knows that they have to make their voice nice. And some of the people that want to perform on the stage while singing, they usually do what I did. And you copied me so you can have your nice voice.
okay, I will copy you then. Ready? 1, 2, go. What song?
There you go.
Oh, whenever we want.
And if anyone to sing, they can teach Mr. Al, and Mr. Al have to copy whoever wants to sing.
I note down that now whenever we want to sing, we have to say like that first.
So you can make your voice more nice, not loud.
Okay.
Because you know that you don't want to shout when you are singing.
Okay, I'm going to try then. Ready? Let it go. Let it go.
It's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, nice, right? Okay, I'm going to continue then. Let it go. Let it go.
If you think it's funny, you have to copy me.
Okay, I
Because
will copy you.
If they are rude thinks it's funny, they have to copy me.
Yeah, okay, I will copy you. I will copy you. Come on, Ivo, sing some song. I will copy you. Ready? 1, 2, go.
No, I need to do my relaxation exercise because if you don't feel like you're good at singing, you just have to calm and then try again. Everyone knows that.
Okay, come on, Ivo. I want to copy you. I want to follow you. How to be a good singer?
You have to flip your legs, and then you have to put your hands at your knees, and then you have to close your eyes and think that you are good at singing.
Okay, I will. Ready? 1, 2, go. I will sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how...
If any of you laugh, you have to do what Mr. Al does.
Okay. Don't laugh, okay?
I don't want any of you to think that it is fun.
Okay, this is
Mr.
not
Al
fun.
is trying his best.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ifo, for letting me sing once again, okay? Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want... So far.
Goodness me. If you do that all the time, then you have to calm and then relax your body, not feeling like laughing, because laughing is not good when someone tries his best.
Okay, I will. I'm not going to laugh, okay? Once again, ready?
Yes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Don't laugh.
How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so far, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle.
You do like me, then you won't laugh.
I won't laugh.
You see me did laugh.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, okay.
They laugh because they think that your voice has to be more girlier, but no, that's not true. If they do like that and copy me, they will think that you are more good at singing. Because everyone knows when their voice is not nice, they have to ignore who is trying to make fun of them or make fun of their voice or laugh at their voice because it's not nice, or rather laugh when they are singing. That's because,
well, his voice is just like that. It's just a part of life.
if anyone is not polite to other people, then they are rude. And they are rude. Say sorry to Mr. Al because you make fun of him while singing.
Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't have to be like that, Ifo. It's okay. It's just only for fun.
Because I don't like people that laugh.
You're so strict, Ifo. Oh my God. I'm sorry then. Yeah, actually, Mr. Al just try. I learned a lot to be a good singer. And then I learned from you also, Ifo. I learned from Ruth because Ruth are very confident. I take a little bit by bit from you. I take the courage and the braveness from Ivo, and I take a nice confidence from Ruth, and I take independent from Kakak Tia. You guys, three of you are very smart. And just now I share that Ivo are very brilliant. You just talk about everything so detailed. your paint, why you choose this kind of paint, why that you even you decide you have your own painting title, which is rainbows paint. Is that correct? Uh, yeah, you are very smart, and Ruth are really genius, and then Kakatia is like independent, and she's also smart in some way.
Wait,
So
wait, 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 wait.
three of you are very good. I give you two thumbs up.
If equal is brilliant, then if someone bullies her, what should we do then? If someone bullies her, should we help her or not? Because not helping is not a good choice. Wait, Evo, why your camera's off?
I don't know.
Maybe Ifo needs some time to calm down his feeling. I mean her feeling today because yeah, we just take everything fun, but Ifo a little bit more tense, more serious, and I think it's good. Ifo is a good teacher for us, everyone. I just imagine in the future maybe Ifo can be one of the best teachers ever in the world. Yeah. Wow, this one is cool. Are you ready to present, Ruth?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
wait. Yeah, just move a little bit more backward. I'm going to take photo. Ready? Ready, 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 ready. Oh, you're using edgy size. Yeah, that's why you need some time. Okay, are you ready, Ruth? One, two, go. Remember, 6 paragraph. Make it more longer. Ready? One, two, go.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruth. Today I learned about this drawing today because I'm very excited to learn new things. And you guys must learn with me, my
Mhm.
teacher, what should I say? Mr. O. I learned this about, well, what is it called again? I forget. Fine, I'll just say blah blah blah.
The
And
abstract expressionism.
Eva, why did you leave the room?
Oh, so sad. Yeah, it's okay. Come on. Maybe the connection, the internet connection.
I draw zigzags, um, cutting lines, just like that, and also curves maybe,
Mm-hmm. And then?
and wobbly lines. And I learned to use white crayons, colorful things, and sometimes I love dark colors because the dark colors look like if I see a rainbow with dark colors and rainbow colors, it makes me feel happy like in the beautiful world of rainbows and ponies.
Okay. And then?
And I learned how to use big, what do you call it again? Big marker.
Mm-hmm.
And I learned to be fast, I learned to be active, and I learned to be creative.
Okay, Ruth, how do you feel when you express your idea into line and colors?
I feel happy.
You feel happy? Really?
Yes.
Okay, what color that representing your happiness today? What colors on your painting?
Colors and dark colors and rainbow colors. It's just like a mess, but it's kind of to me, even though it's just scribbles like babies and little kids. Well, it's kind of awesome to me.
Okay, what do you think? How to make your painting looks more beautiful next time?
By learning.
Okay, that is really cool. Are you happy with your painting today?
Yes, I say yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, just tell mommy I learned about abstract expressionism. That's why the object is not really clear. I just trying to express myself freedomly. Okay. Now we need to. Oh, thank you so much, Kaka. I mean Ruth. I give you two thumbs up, Ruth. You're very smart and brilliant. Your painting looks really abstract and nice for the kids. And
You
then yeah, yeah.
already know that I'm 7 now.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
I already know, okay, Ruth?
Yes. is I can't see your face.
Yeah, all right then, Ruth, come on. Oh, give a round of applause for Ruth. Then we have Kakak Tia. Kakak Tia, come on. It's time for you to present.
See your face. You.
Yeah, maybe Evo needs some time to open the camera. It's okay. We have to respect each other. Are you ready, Kakak
Okay,
Tia?
I'ma do this.
Yeah, okay. Ready? Take
Do this on green.
smile first. Make it a little bit more higher, 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 higher.
I don't know what to do.
Ah, no, no, no. Don't cover your face. Wait. Make it like this in the left side or right side like this. You
Make
have to
it
move.
left or right, but don't cover your face.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Evo. Yeah, like that. Smile. Okay, you can start now. Kakak Tia, ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, my name is.
Tia, you forgot your name?
I was going Alethea.
Okay, continue please.
I'll just go myself. Hi, my name is Alethea, and this is my beautiful painting. I know this is all the colors I used. That took so long. So I had to like some pink, a lot of pink and black. Then I write some words as you can see.
Yeah.
I add some words says like good, day, yeah, and ooh, and 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 wow, and beautiful.
All right. What else?
Yes, that's all the
Okay.
words I write.
How do you feel when you create that kind of painting?
I'm happy,
Happy? Just happy?
and tired.
Tired? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson?
Uh, Following like this technique,
Mm-hmm. And then what else?
and then like making like these zigzag and other things,
All right. And then what else?
and and I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, you know what, your painting is really good. I can see there's so many colors there, and then yeah, it looks really abstract and maybe people don't understand, but it doesn't matter. The point is when you paint that one and you feel happy, that is the real
We're
point
watching
goal.
YouTube, okay?
Yeah, that is the real goal that we need to we need to achieve. Our feeling, our happiness is the most important thing than the painting. Okay, thank you so much for Tia. You are doing very good. You're doing great. And then one last. Oh, Ruth, you wanna ask Kakak Tia something?
I kind of made this art. I kind of made this art and crafting.
Mm-mm. Wow, what is that? It's
Made
what?
out of.
I also made something that looks like an elephant.
Oh, okay.
I tried my best, okay? Don't worry.
All right then, Kakak Tia. One more question. Your painting is already good, but how to make it more better in the future?
I'm adding my colors, and also I make this one.
Oh wow, yeah, you can color it now. I mean, whenever you have a free time, please color it. I'm going to ask about this painting next week. Okay? I want you to color it, and next week you have to present in front of us. Next week we're going to talk about fashion design, everybody. Yeah. We're going to design our clothes or something later on. All right, thank you so much. I think you guys are already tired. Evo, thank you so much. Mr. R was really impressed with your oral talking skill, and then your presentation skill are very awesome. Ruth also, thank you so much. And Kakatia, have a nice day. Don't forget to take a bath, take showers, and go outside to play.
I already take a shower.
You already take a shower? Good then.